What if I tell you that you can make around $20 over and over again just by sharing a link, a simple link of an ebook which you don't even own but have complete reselling rights? Well, it sounds crazy, I know, but if you stay tuned, I'll show you how you can do that. Hey YouTubers, Assalamu alaikum, this is Danish from Affiliates Den. And before we jump into the video, I would really appreciate if you could just smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know whenever I release my new video. Now that I got that out of the way, back to the video. The topic: making sales and not even owning the product. Well, that's typical affiliate motto. And what's different about this video is then the difference between this video and the others I've done so far is that we are going to make sales through free ebooks. We are going to download a free ebook and set a price on it and sell it on the internet just by simply sharing an affiliate link through different platforms that I've already covered in so many videos before. Twitter, Quora, Facebook groups, and there are many ways you can share a link. You don't need me to go into that. If you're new in this channel, well, maybe you can just go to my video library and look up some other videos, and you'll find numerous ways. But today I'm just going to cover the basics because that's if I get into details, that's gonna be a pretty long video, and I don't think I'm ready to do that. So, how do we sell an ebook which we do not own and have complete rights to resell it? Well, I'll just show you how. Reseller Rights Weekly. This is a website which has many ebooks free to download, and most of them have reselling rights in their licenses. Comes with master resale giveaway rights. You can either give away the books for free or you can resell them. How to weed out the garbage when marketing, outsource internet marketing, how to earn and look like $1 million. Every month they upload various and numerous ebooks covering different kinds of subjects. Let me just go to the free member download area. Oh, they logged me out. Alright. Free member download area, yeah, right over here. Let's go a little back. March 2019. Okay, breakthrough sales solutions, blockbuster cash secrets, amazing advertising tips, Ad Unit Pro, aromatherapy instant mobile video site, baseball instant mobile video site. I mean, there are many. Every month they release free books which you can download and resell them on different platforms. Now, how do you resell them? That's the trick. How do you make a page? As I said in the beginning of the video, this trick is for lazy people. So, alright, you can download books from here, but what about the sales page? What about the payment procedure, the payment gateway, the credit card acceptance, and blah blah blah? You don't have to worry about that. Just don't worry about it. I'll show you in just a minute how you can skip all that and eliminate all that grief and just get right on to selling books. Blog your way to the top of your home business organization, building your organization on autopilot, going diamond, reach the next level in your business by case studies, successful business, home business, video marketing secrets. As you can see, this place is filled with different different topics, uh, ebooks with different topics, and it's just flipping cash. It's just non-stop. Every month they upload at least 4 to 5 books, and you just need to go through them. There's no search button here, so I'm sorry, that's kind of a bummer and time wasting, but in the long run it's not exactly time wasting if you're selling these books and making bucks. So now, what do we do? How do we do this? Okay, that's simple. Just click here to download. You see this button, 900 MB. You're gonna just click here, and it's gonna download in the form of a zip file, which you will have to unzip, and it's gonna have folder. The folder will have a PDF format. Always keep it in PDF format. Don't try to convert it into another format, because PDF is something that is recognized by all the computers globally, and everyone has a PDF reader. Okay, I'll just open this one and downloads. File Explorer, easy zip. Okay, e-covers. Okay, first of all, you have images of the book. Of course, you will need images for the landing pages. And why there are two different, okay, there are different sizes. Alright, okay, yeah. You have your books, your covers, and there it is. Yeah, this is the main book. I'm just gonna simply save it. Sorry. Save it. Come on, save. Yay. Come on. Computer. I'll save it on my desktop. I'm going to do the same with the cover. I'm going to use a good quality cover. Save it. Desktop. Great. Now, about the sales page. Well, most of them do come with sales page, but we're not gonna do much with that sales page, because that's okay, this one doesn't, but most of them do come with sales page. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go over to this website called PayHip. Okay, now PayHip, this website takes care of everything. They take care of the download links, the credit card payments, but they have the landing page. They let you create a link. You can share that link, and as soon as the customer, your potential customer, clicks the link, he or she can download the book, and you get paid for it. Of course, PayHip charges a fee. It's around 5% of every sale, so it's not much really, because 5% is nothing. If you're charging someone $25-$30 for an ebook, and I'm not suggesting that you should it, but that's the number just came into my head. 5% would be nothing, would be $3 or $4, I guess. So now what do we do here? We go to products. This is the dashboard. This is the product page, and we just click this, add a product, digital product. Oh, we can also add physical product. I didn't know that. This one is new. Okay, we can add a digital product, upload product file. Okay, yes, blog your way. No, blog your way. This one. This is the correct file. Okay, this is the PDF file. It's gonna upload. Then we're gonna blog your way, top of your home organization. We're gonna pick this one. Put this title here. Add a cover. Okay, desktop, blog your way. This is the cover here. And what else? A little description. Yes, this comes with the little description. Copy from here. We're just gonna paste it here. Alright, okay. Now what we need, everything is okay. The best price for an ebook, which has been recommended for a person that I admire and I follow, is $19.97, something under $20. It kind of plays a psychological game with the customer. That it's not 20, it's under 20, it's not a bad deal. I can do this, I can pay for this book, it's gonna be beneficial for me, I'm gonna learn some good stuff. So $19.97 is a good price. People also go for $9.97, but if you wanna make some decent amount, $19.97 is a okay price for an ebook, and people do pay for it. So now that we have everything ready, we just click add product, and voila, here's your link. You can just share this link on Facebook groups. Let me just show you if there's a blogging group out there. Blogging groups. Okay. Oh, come on. I'm just gonna answer these questions and just say yes. You can join these groups, these blogging groups with 57,000 members, 22,000 members, 14,000 members. These people are making posts, 10 posts per day, so people are active. You see here, 10 posts per day, 10 plus posts per day. So this is the place to do it, and go ahead, do it. Let me know how it goes. Click the like button. I need it. And have a nice day. Bye-bye.